Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your keyboard model and opening its lighting configuration right away. This prevents wasting time on wrong settings. Once done, plug the keyboard into a reliable USB port and launch the manufacturer's app or your OS keyboard controls. You'll need the driver or firmware version visible, so note it. Make sure to run the app as administrator on Windows or grant permissions on Mac OS. These steps establish a stable connection and unlock the lighting controls you'll use next. Now you'll build the look. Choose between static, wave, reactive, or sync layers and enable one or two at most so colors don't conflict. Once chosen, pick colors with RGB sliders or type a hex code for precision. Set brightness and effect speed to balance visibility versus power. Next, map per key colors or create zone presets. Save each preset with a clear name so you can recall it later. If the app supports profiles, assign one to your game or workflow for automatic switching. Finish by applying and saving the profile either to the keyboard's onboard memory or to the cloud so it persists. Once saved, test by pressing keys and switching apps to confirm behavior. If you see glitches or missing zones, update keyboard firmware, but back up your profiles first. Firmware fixes many issues. If lights still fail, make sure the USB port supplies power, perform a hardware reset per the manual, and reinstall drivers or the lighting app. These final checks get you from setup to reliable.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.